Hello, today I'm going to show you my lawnmower. I call it the lawnmower of the future, and it says Onto push rail mower, I think. Those are plastic, metal, plastic. Yeah, because got it from Bunnings Warehouse, I think $80. And the blade here, sometimes when you, this is the net, you have to buy it separately, but it's made for this. The blade, it chops. Sometimes if you do it fast like I do, it jumps over. And the blade can get stuck if maybe too much grass or there's a stick cord. That's showing an example. Like many times, have to go a bit, it stops, and go back because our grass is long. Yeah, it's just a nice lawnmower. I use the hay patch or the rabbits. Yeah, I use these tools to spread out the hay. It's a broken rake and a white shovel. So there's two adjustments. The red one you can see here, and there's some screw bolt that to adjust, and you clip the hay net on there. Like, see this clip? Yeah, that hay clip. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's a good lawnmower. Thanks for watching.